Alright, recording. Dead birdie!
So we're gonna go see a dead bird that just been in like 10 minutes ago. It was alive and we saw it go pop. So we're gonna go see that bird. It's all flat.
Yeah, but it's gonna take a while because all these fucking cars are fucking douchebags by fucking going on the same fucking street because they're fuckers and they're fuck you.
Calm down.
It's all Naeli's fault.
What? Because I'm black?
Yeah, that's
You're
you.
racist?
Yeah,
because I'm black.
you and your
You want me to
period.
kick your ass like
Yeah,
that?
let's go.
Down
Let's
here.
go. I'm amiga. Hey, this guy's coming this street. We should have just ran it. You know, just ran it. Like these guys right here. My uncle. My uncle. No, it's not my uncle.
There's cars.
Yes, that's my dick. Disgusting. Got more flattened out. Hey, watch it, Naeli. You have to get hit by a car.
I'm in the middle of the street, as you can see. Just standing here next to the bird. So yeah.
What's up? Why are you standing here? Come on, let's go already.
Alright.
That was disgusting.
I was in the middle of the street. I was scared.
She's about to get hit by a car, eh? Un
A
carro.
motorcycle. Look. Not gonna be flat like that.
Yeah, like un perro or algo. Chickens foot gay. I don't like that band. They gay.
Ew.
It's all about dragon fags. I'm kidding.
So yeah.
This video's still going when it's not supposed to, and oh my god, oh, we're supposed to run already. It's disgusting, huh? It's disgusting. Ew, he stepped on it.
You make that too? Oh,
Ew. Oh, I have to go now, huh?
No, because there's a car coming.
Ah, stop by.
You wanna go?
Yeah, I wanna go.
That big car right there?
Fuck my cock. Fuck my cock.
Oh, this car's like Toki.
Tokis.
Yes.
I could give myself the coolest blowjobs.
The Tokis.
Oh,
Tokis.
Tokis. We're like
We're like standing in the middle
dead
of the
bird.
street.
Dead
There's a bird.
bird. That's Tokis.
Hey guys, bye-byes. Mira, tú. ¿Entiendes o qué?
No, no tengo.
Seriously, Juan.
What were you guys doing?
I was standing in the middle of
Yeah, I saw that.